Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to create a button like this. So in this button, we have a different background color for this icon. So let's see how we can add. Here you can go and you can get this plugin, unlimited Elementor add-ons. So after that, you can go and upload the plugin file. Simply you can go and click on add plugin. Then here you can upload the zip file. Now scroll down and click on activate button. Then scroll down and on the left side you can go here and click on widgets. Then scroll down. Here you can see search button. So these are all the widgets that you can use installing only this plugin. Then you can go here button widgets, and here you can see these are the different types of button designs. So if I scroll down, here you can see this design. Click on install button, and after that now let's go back to the pages, and here we can create a new test page. And here let me add a new container. Then here you can find out button, this one, icon pointer button, drag it here, and now here you can change the text as well as you can link it with any page. So for example, let me copy this link and add here, and then here you can see alignment, so you can keep where you want. And after that, icon first, icon last, direction left to right, right to left. Then scroll down. Here you can also use advanced features. Then go to style tab, and here you can select this one, icon width. Then scroll down, click here pointer. You can remove the pointer if available. So after that, let's see how we can change the background color. This one is the button background color. So this one looks okay. Now let me copy this background color, and after that this will be button hover color, so it should be same. Then go to icon style, and this should also be same. And now let me change it to something different like this one. So now if I go here, now here you can see it's working fine.